Hey, everyone.
Welcome to the Super Easy English Podcast.
I'm Marcus.
And I'm Gabby. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we are talking about the best part of the week, the weekend, and how to talk about your free time in English.
Yes, Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday. When you are not working, when you are not studying, what do you actually do?
This is a huge topic because when you meet someone new or when you talk to your coworkers on a Monday morning, what is the first question they ask?
They always ask, "How was your weekend?" Or "What did you do this weekend?" And sometimes we freeze. We just say, "It was good," and the conversation stops.
Exactly. It was good. It is correct, but it is a little boring. Today, we're going to fix that. We will give you natural phrases to talk about your hobbies, your rest, and your fun.
But really quickly before we start, please hit the subscribe button. It takes 1 second, but it helps us make more episodes for you.
Yes, please like and share this video with another English learner. We appreciate it so much. Okay, let's jump into the weekend.
So, there are basically two types of weekends, the busy weekend and the lazy weekend.
I definitely prefer the lazy weekend.
Me too. Let's talk about the lazy weekend first, when you just stay home and do nothing. How do we say that in natural English?
The best phrase for this is chill out. Chill out. It means to relax completely. No stress, no big plans.
I love chilling out. If someone asks me, "What did you do on Saturday?" I can say, "I just chilled out at home." It sounds so much better than saying, "I relaxed."
Right. I relaxed sounds like a textbook. I chilled out sounds like a real person.
You can also say, "I took it easy." To take it easy. That is another beautiful phrase. It means you did not rush. You moved slowly.
I took it easy this weekend. I read a book and drank coffee. That is my perfect Sunday, honestly.
But sometimes you have a busy weekend. You have to clean the house, do the laundry, and buy food. For this, we use the phrase catch up on.
Catch up on. This is so useful. It means doing things you did not have time to do during the week.
Yes. For example, I need to catch up on my sleep. That means I didn't sleep enough from Monday to Friday, so I will sleep 10 hours on Saturday.
Or I need to catch up on housework. Cleaning, washing clothes, doing the dishes.
Do you catch up on chores on the weekend, Marcus?
Usually Saturday morning. I play loud music, I clean the apartment, and then I am free. I can finally chill out.
Okay, but weekends are not just for sleeping and cleaning. We also have hobbies, things we do for fun.
Right. And a very natural way to talk about your hobbies is the phrase to be into something. To be into something.
This means you really like it. You enjoy it a lot right now. For example, I am really into cooking lately.
I am into cooking. That means cooking is my hobby. I watch videos about it, I buy new pans, I try new recipes.
What are you into right now, Marcus?
Honestly, I'm really into running. I wake up early, I put on my running shoes, and I run in the park. It clears my mind. What about you, Gabby? What are you into?
I am into photography. I love walking around the city and taking pictures of old buildings. It is so peaceful.
That is awesome. And notice, everyone, we don't say, my hobby is running or my hobby is photography.
No, native speakers almost never say, "My hobby is." It sounds very formal. Just say, "I am into photography," or "I like taking pictures." It's much more natural.
Yes. And what if you just started a new hobby? You can use the phrasal verb take up to take up a hobby.
Yes, to take up means to start doing a new activity. I decided to take up tennis. This means I just started playing tennis. I'm a beginner.
Or I took up painting last month. It's a great way to tell people about your new interests.
I think taking up a new hobby is so good for your brain. It keeps life exciting.
Absolutely. Okay, so we talked about relaxing and we talked about hobbies, but the weekend is also for friends and family.
Yes, socializing. And the absolute best verb for this is hang out. Hang out.
To hang out means to spend time with someone in a relaxed way. No strict schedule, just being together.
You might go to a cafe or walk in the park or just sit on the sofa and talk. That is hanging out.
If someone asks about your weekend, you can say, I hung out with my friends, or I'm going to hang out with my brother on Sunday.
It's so common. Please, if you only remember one phrase today, remember hang out. We use it constantly.
I hung out with my friends. It sounds perfect.
And when you have plans with friends, you usually feel excited about them, right? You're happy they're happening.
Exactly. And the best phrase to show that excitement is look forward to. Look forward to.
This means you are excited about something in the future. I am looking forward to the weekend.
Yes, I am looking forward to the concert on Saturday, or I am looking forward to hanging out with you.
It's a very positive, very warm phrase. It shows the other person that you are happy about the plan.
So if someone says, see you on Friday for dinner, you can say, yes, I'm really looking forward to it.
Okay, now you have these great phrases. Chill out, catch up on, be into something, hang out, look forward to. But a good conversation is not just about you talking.
You also need to ask the other person about their weekend.
Yes, a conversation is like a game of tennis. You hit the ball to them and they hit it back to you.
So how do you ask? The easiest way is, how was your weekend? Or, did you do anything fun this weekend?
Did you do anything fun? I love that question. It's friendly and it gives the person a chance to talk about their hobbies or their friends.
And if it's Friday and the weekend has not started yet, you can ask, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Perfect. You memorize these 3 questions and you can talk to anyone on a Friday or a Monday.
It really changes everything. When you use these natural questions, people feel comfortable. They want to talk to you.
All right, we covered so much today. Now it's comment time.
Go to the comments and tell us, what do you usually do on the weekend? Do you prefer to chill out, or do you have a busy schedule? Write 2 or 3 sentences.
We love seeing your progress. Just try. Don't worry about perfect grammar.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today.
We are looking forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Super easy English podcast. Hey, thanks for listening to the